Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach Newton's laws of motion. Newton's law of motion, there are three laws. First law, second law and third law. These three laws were discovered by the scientist called Newton. First law, second and third. Let's discuss first law now. Newton's first law. Newton's first law states that every object in rest position will be in rest. Every object in rest position will be in rest until and unless external force is added. Until and unless external force is added to it. It will be in the same position until and unless external force is added. This is called first law. Let's take example. Think this is the rock. This is in rest position. It will be in rest position until and unless an force is applied. Here if force is applied, it will be in motion. Hence displacement or distance occurs here. Hence the rock will move some forward direction or backward direction. So this is the first law, Newton's first law. Now let's discuss second law. Second law. The linear momentum is directly proportional to force, or in simply we can say that Newton's second law states that force is equals to ma, but momentum directly proportional to force is called as second law of Newton's. That proof we'll see. How F is equals to ma came by Newton's second law. Here force is directly proportional to momentum. Force is directly proportional to momentum. Momentum formula mv minus mu by t. Here take m as common. M into v minus u by t. If it is directly proportional. Again write as it is. But we know that here acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Acceleration is equals to v minus u by t. So in here in place of v minus u by t keep a, m into a. Therefore F is directly proportional to mass into acceleration. F is equals to ma. Now let's discuss third law of motion. Newton's third law. Third law of motion. For every action force, there is equal and opposite reaction force. That is, for every action force, there is equal and opposite reaction force. That is, action is equals to opposite reaction force, equal and opposite reaction force. Since object A, B is equals to minus of B, A is equals to opposite since negative direction, reaction force in reverse direction. So this is the formula type for the third law. Let the objects be A comma B, then AB is equals to minus BA. Action force here is AB, reaction force is BA in negative direction. It indicates negative sign. It indicates. For this there are so many examples. Let's discuss now. Rocket is an example for Newton's third law. Rocket goes forward by expelling the gas backward direction. Rocket going in forward direction, that is upward, forward, and releasing or expelling the gas in backward direction. Gas. This is action force and this is reaction force in opposite direction. This is the example for Newton's third law, rocket. Thank you.